Guys, why do we still suck at learning languages? Even after years of classes, even with apps, tutors and grammar books. Why do we still suck so badly at something we literally mastered as babies? We all did it when we were babies. Cracked this code with zero effort, but then school steps in like, hey kid, let's kill the vibe. Suddenly language becomes about memorizing and analyzing, and we wonder why nothing sticks. But here is the truth. Real language learning doesn't happen in classroom. It doesn't happen in rows of desks. It happens in the wild. Babies are fluent by age 3. They are living proof. No grammar books, no classes, no anxiety. Yet they become fluent incredibly fast. So let's flip the script. You want fluency? I'm gonna tell you something that your language teacher would definitely disapprove of. And that's cool. 3 steps. Step 1. Forget grammar. It's holding you back. Yep guys, forget grammar, unless your goal is to speak like a textbook with anxiety. So let's break it down. I'd say the grammar is the scoundrel. Yeah, it's the villain in our language story. It doesn't help you speak smoothly, it just makes you second guess every word you're about to say. So instead of talking, you're just thinking. And trust me, overthinking during conversation is a disaster. You freeze, you bail. Here is the better way to picture it. You want to learn to surf. Would you spend few months reading about swimming techniques before ever touching the surfboard? Same with languages. Unless your goal is to become the grammar police at parties, no one cares if your sentence structure is flawless. What does matter is that you can ask where the bathroom is without sounding like a confused robot from the 1980s. So in the beginning, just drop grammar altogether. Seriously, let it go. You'll pick it up later, naturally. But for now, just use the language. Out loud, out messy, out real. Fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from momentum. So, if grammar isn't your golden ticket, then what is? Step 2. Love chaos. Make friends with it. Here where it gets weird. The secret sauce. Throwing yourself into situations where you literally have zero clue what's happening. Why would anyone willingly sign up for confusion? Because babies do it all the time. They start out understanding nothing, and that's exactly why they soak it up like little language sponges. They don't memorize rules. They absorb vibes, context, tone, repetition. You need to do the same thing. And no, not in your native language. Get out of that comfort zone. So turn on a TV show in your target language. And guys, this is really important, about something that is interesting to you. No subtitles, watch it. Listen to every word. What are they talking about? Try to understand every single word you don't get. How does it sound? Positive, negative, soft, tough. Does it resonate with something in your mind? Any associations? Then translate. Compare translation with what you previously thought it was. Connect your thoughts. You'll be shocked at how fast things click. Why? Because you won't learn useless words. Okay, let me give you an example. I personally like jogging in a park, and I do it almost every day, and I like learning Thai language. So I watched some content on YouTube from a Thai language teacher who also happens to be a marathon runner. So he's running, shooting video, and from his videos I get all the relevant words. And he's saying something like home shop wing. So word shop. In English it sounds like, I don't know, like shopping, yeah? Shopping. And the word wing, I think the closest English word will be win. Yeah, we all like to win. So this phrase means I like running. Home chop wing. Do you like shopping? Do you run and win in the end? It's like that. It's pretty simple actually. เพื่อนๆที่กำลังดูวิดีโอนี้ผมพูดความจริงผมชอบวิ่งในสวนสาธารณะทุกวันถ้ามีเวลาว่าง That relevant content teaches you stuff you'll actually use, like I like jogging, or where is the nearest park or stadium. And while running, I listen to songs in my target language. You can also switch your smartphone language to a new language, listen to content while you cook. Yes, at first it will feel like a mental chaos, but here is the plot twist. Your brain is secretly a pattern-finding machine. It's already working for you in the background. Even if you think that there is no progress, it is busy connecting the dots behind the scenes. Let it work, trust the process. And yeah, you'll screw up. You might accidentally order 12 tacos when you wanted just 2, but those fails, they're perfect for learning. You'll never make that same hilarious mistake twice. Step 3. Talk now, think later. You might get to the point where you understand everything, but when it's your turn to talk, brain goes blank. Here is the raw truth. You don't learn to speak a language by thinking about it. You learn it by using it out loud. Open your mouth even if nonsense comes out. No more waiting. Say it wrong and proud. You've got a tongue? Use it. No one's judging you. Start speaking on day 1, not day 100, not someday. Day freaking 1. Copy how native speakers talk. Steal phrases. Repeat them like a parrot with attitude. Talk to yourself while you cook, while you walk, while you're taking a cold shower. Every time you learn a new word, build a sentence around it, like a Lego in your brain. And if you sound like 3-year-old, good. Kids are pros at language learning. Why? Because they don't care if they sound silly. They just go for it. You are not a tourist visiting a language. You are moving in. Mentally unpack your suitcase. And you know nobody's grading your pronunciation. The only one judging your accent is that annoying little voice in your own head. Okay, one last thing, and it's not sexy, but it's real and it's big. Speaking is great, but speaking alone won't get you there. If you want real progress, you've got to make it a habit. You've got to live in the language every day, even if it's just 2 minutes while brushing your teeth. The trick isn't cramming vocab once a week like it's exam season. The trick is sneaking the language into your coffee breaks, your playlists, your thoughts. Make it a habit. It's not a sprint. It's more like breathing. You don't congratulate yourself for doing it, right? Just do it, and that's what keeps you alive and fluent.